Yeah! Follow the orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. Follow, 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 follow. Follow the orange brick road. We're off to see the heaven, the wonderful heaven of gains. We hear it is the greatest for stacking ridiculous gains. If we ever get to the moon, we'll never find our way back home. Follow the orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. Follow, 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 follow. Follow the orange brick road. No more FOMO, no more doubt, just orange blocks and diamond hands. Ignore the bears, ignore the clowns. We're marching with the orange crowd. Guru selling flags for 99. We're following the real orange line. Follow the orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. Follow, 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 follow. Follow the orange brick road. Where does it lead? To the moon. Where do we go? To the moon. What do we hold? Bitcoin. Follow. The orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. Follow, 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 follow. Follow the orange brick road. We're off to see the bull run, the wonderful bull run of gains. We're never coming down, never coming down. The orange, follow the orange. Follow the orange brick road.
Somewhere over the moon, somewhere over the moon, way up high, there's a green field that I dream about at night, where the heavy bags finally feel so light. Somewhere over the moon, sats will shine. Someday I wish upon a heaven and wake up where the red candles stop. Be heaven, where trouble melts like leverage in the sun, high above the fear and everyone. So somewhere over the moon, blue skies wait, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true one day. Somewhere over the moon, whales move slow. They accumulate with quiet power while the weak hands let go. I've
Alexa,
been waiting through the windows.
Alexa, skip.
La 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 la. You're gonna be profitable. Whenever I see someone losing on a trade, I slide in with a smile and say, baby, you've been doing it all wrong. Just join my group, 99 a month. draw a basic trend line. Call it proprietary knowledge, one of a kind. I'll show you a Lambo that I rented last week. Say this could be yours if you listen to me. Profitable, you're gonna be profitable. Just trust me, I'm popular. Profitable, you're gonna be profitable. Forget all that research you could do for free. Just pay me monthly, you'll see. I'll teach you RSI like it's rocket science. Call it my secret sauce. No compliance. Post a screenshot from 2021. Say this is how real traders get it done. No on-chain proof, no problem at all. I'll say trust the process and post another haul while you're getting wrecked and I'm stacking new fees. That's the beauty of this industry. Profitable, hey, you're gonna be profitable. Just trust me, I'm popular. Profitable, you're gonna be profitable. I never show my entries, I just show the wins. That's how you stay popular, my friends. Now retail trader, don't you wanna be in my private chamber, where the signals are alpha and the copium is strong, and nobody asked why my trades are never wrong. Profitable, you're gonna be profitable. Just trust me, I'm popular. Profitable, you're gonna be profitable. Pay the 99 and you'll finally see how amazing, how brilliant, how profitable I can make you be. La, la, you're gonna be profitable.
For those looking at hitting that like button, I should say thank you. Thank you very
The
much.
morning's gray, the clocks are full. The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow. Good ass coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up is good ass coffee in your cup.
See a green flag pop, think it finally right. I smashed the buy button, full send, no fear. Then it dumps in 10 minutes, wipes away the year. I watch the influencers flash their and rise. They scream this is the one while my portfolio dies. Try to time the bottom, try to catch the wave, but the whales just don't harder. Digging my grave.
I can't get no altcoin action.
No, no, no.
I can't get no satisfaction.
No, no, no.
I can't get no moonshot traction.
Wow, is a fact.
I can't get no altcoin action.
No, no, no.
Oh.
I switch to the next one, shiny new name. Pawn for an hour, then it's back in the drain. Diamond hands bleeding, paper hands laugh. I refresh the chart like a my epitaph. Ask for cold storage, ask for the course. Guru selling signals that change every source. I read every white paper, chase every thread. Still end up wrecked, wishing I was dead.
I can't get no altcoin action.
No, no, no.
I can't get no satisfaction.
No, no, no.
I can't get no real accumulation.
Flag again.
I can't get no altcoin action.
No, no, no. When I'm riding in the bus, phone burning my palm. Some smooth talking shit'll drop another bomb. He got his yacht club, his private jet view. While I'm staring at zero, wondering what to do. And he tells me more and more about some worthless token. And I'm wondering why my life is always broken. Yeah, he's telling me more about some worthless token.
I can't get no relief from the 24 screen. Notifications scheming like a bad dream. Every dip's a trap, every pump's a tease. Till I reload the wallet, still begging please. Try to find the alpha, try to beat the game, but the game's rigged sideways, always the same. Yeah, I can't get no I've been crypto dreaming. I've been crypto dreaming. Oh, the charts are gray and the candles are cold. I've been crypto dreaming of a bull run of gold. Stopped into a Discord just the other day. Well, they told me that the bottom's here to stay. You know the market's freezing, no green in sight. Got a screen full of red on this winter's night. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. Crypto dreaming on such a winter's day.
Stopped into a Discord just the other day. Well, they told me that the bottom's here to stay. You know the market's freezing, no green in sight. Got a screen full of red on this winter's night.
I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. Crypto dreaming on such a winter's day.
Crypto dreaming
On such a winter's day.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray.
I've been crypto dreaming of a brighter day.
When the pumps were flowing and the gains were high,
And the moon
was calling from the crypto sky. But now the whales are quiet, the volume's low.
and the fear is thick in the afterglow.
I'd be safe and
Warm if I was in LA. Crypto dreaming on such a
Oh man, have I been microphone has been off again? At least the champs are still doing. Well, that's good because I've been kind of cussing over here about Bitcoin. Oh man. Well, at least I came over. We got it. All right. So how many minutes? Not bad. Not bad. A lot better than I used to be, right? Muted dog. Muted dog. The dog is muted. Mute. Mute. Someone call Road Dog. I'm too lazy to call. Won't answer anyway. You know me.
If I didn't have to scroll
Road Dog is muted. Well, we are back. All we hear is music. Well, that turkey has no sound.
safe and warm.
All right, so basically, just in a nutshell, what I've been bitching about is that we lost our main trend line that we were following, right? But we're still in some good places. This is the 236 fib area here. We might catch and continue up, and I'm still looking for these guys. However, you know, if we do break more trend lines and keep coming down, a healthy pullback from these areas would be right here at the 382 fib, right? But what I was saying earlier is I don't think we're quite done with here. I do think that we're trying to take these guys out over the weekend. So maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight we're a little bit bearish, but tomorrow we start picking up some stream going into Monday. And this would be an excellent place for them to pull their, you know, weekly. Oh, that's it. Oh, we got the Tuesday dump now, or Monday dump, or whatever they do. Around 80,000 would be ideal place for that to happen. So that's just kind of what I'm kind of looking out for over here. Otherwise, she made a higher high than this one, but a lower high than this one. Puts you in jeopardy, baby. Puts you in jeopardy. All right. How many beautiful people we got hanging out with us? 11 beautiful people. We lost some people. We're back. Audio, video, good. I think so. I think we're good. I think we're good. All right. Looks like it looks like we had 12 at the most. All right. Well, I don't know what was different from last night or anything, but I'm very appreciative. I think it was Jenny on my thumbnail. That's probably the most views that I've seen in a while over here, and I think it's because we had Jenny on the thumbnail. Crazy how that works out, isn't it? And thank you to everybody who's subscribing and voting over here. Now, I do have, you know, we did do our Friday night crypto videos. It's a competition there. There are 4 videos, and you get to vote for which one is the winner. And for the next video to be crowned the champion that everybody's got to keep competing against until it's finally put into the Hall of Fame. And I do welcome any AI songwriters or AI musicians, AI video creators out there. If you've got a song that you want to submit or something like that, crypto theme narrative related, because crypto show, more than welcome. Or if you want to take any of my songs I've released there, they're here on YouTube, and do some kind of video to them, I'd be honored by that too. Probably be a little bit better than what I'm going to be putting out over there, but we'll see how it goes. But this is the Friday night view. But what I want to get over is you can vote in the comments over there. That was the original game plan, but there is a post over here, a poll, and you can go over here and vote. And so far, we got 2 votes over there. But the show did well, and 68 views. That's more than what my show gets here sometime. But I think the real stealer of the show right here is Squirrely Dave. His shorts are taken off over here, and I forgot where how do you get over here? How do we get the goodies on you? I'm not trying to do that, Squirrely Dave. Description right over here. 277 views on that. Hell, that's more than my show got last night. Dave seems to be very popular. I'm just saying. Squirrely Dave. So shout out to you guys that have been checking out Crypto Parody, and these are coming out pretty routine over here. I'm just saying, trying to grow this new channel. Put the music over here and then keep the TA right where it belongs. Right over here on my screen as we take a look at the indices. See how I did that? That was smooth, wasn't it? Until you started talking about it, idiot. Oh, shoot. Anyway, this is total 3 right here. Look, up and handy. Where we're at resistance for our total 3. So it looked like we were trying to get up a little bit today, right? It likes to wick past this trend line, but just can't ever seem to cross over for some gosh darn reason. Explain that to me. All right, I see nothing going on over here in my chat. You guys have just got nothing to say. Now that audio's back on, we're good. All right, so I'm going to take a look at our indices like we normally do. I did have news to go over last night, which I haven't read it all, but there was some interesting alpha there. I think we should do news tonight, catch up from last night, and see if there's anything else that was posted today. Can I get some 111s in the chat if you want to catch up with the news alpha? There's some coin stuff in there I saw, some exploit stuff I saw. Probably stuff you need to know about. I'm just saying, if you don't want to lose your ass in this market. Thank you so much, Silver Days. I appreciate you, my man. You are awesome. You know what you get? I'm gonna give you something special. I'm gonna give you what I rarely ever give out here. I'm gonna give you fireworks, my man. I'm gonna give you fireworks and the clap. I lost the clap. Silver Day says 111 news. I probably need to know stuff. I'm taking it that as being news related. All right, let's see if I can do that. Let me switch this over to the 4 hour. This is again total 3. I'm gonna adjust my trend line on 4 hour. I had it on 8 hour by accident. I'm trying to keep it on 4. So we're still under resistance overall, but I don't think we've broken anything that can't be salvaged right here. We're still above a trend line. So altcoins technically still okay at the moment. This could be an inverted head and shoulders if you're a pattern trader and saying, oh my God, that's an inverted head and shoulders. Yeah, it could be. And or a triangle. So however you want to interpret that comes out about the same if you do it correctly with your measured moves. It should get us right back over here. That would be a nice breakout if that happens. But it's not happening tonight on a Saturday low liquidity night. We may start seeing it happen over tomorrow as tomorrow progresses and then into Monday. Then we might kind of what we saw last week. They seem to be running the game on the weekend this right now. Fireworks and the clap. I know, man. I know. Fanny pack raid. Hey, we got Joe from Trade Intuition. Thank you for being here, Joe. Let's give you the old clapperoonie. And everybody coming over with Joe, welcome to the stream. I hate to say it, but that's why we got we got a celebrity on hand here. If you recognize
For those of you that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you very much.
It helps. It also helps if you take something from our sponsors or whatnot, and we're getting more and more sponsors. I am getting some more and more sponsors. We just haven't gone here on the show yet, but here's a breakfast sponsor.
She a MILF, part of a well-balanced diet. Every morning, yeah, you know I gotta try it. Yeah, Pour it up, milky cereal in my bowl. My bowl. Mom's in life forever, that's good for my soul. For real. Yeah.
Milky cereal. Did you have your milky cereal this morning? Striga says, I hit the like twice. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me get out of this. Total 3. We're still looking at Bitcoin dominance. It's above the 618, man. It has not been here and held. It's holding more now than it ever has before. November 2025, also in October 2025, the last times that we were above here. Bullish for Bitcoin, not so much for altcoins. You're breaking through all the resistances that I've got over here. That one, oh, you're right at this one. Right at a bearish retest for this initial trend line that we had over here. Let me get rid of that guy. Looks like you might have overcome it. Oh my gosh. Bullish. This is no bueno. No bueno for your altcoins when this guy goes up. Most of the time this one's going up. Altcoins either go down, they dump, or they just kind of hang out, and you got to poke them to see if they're breathing. Hopefully we're just in the poke them and see if they're breathing area. But that means Bitcoin can't go up. It has to stay stable, which, we're hanging, right? So right now we've got that vibe, which could easily change. All it takes is for Bitcoin to go up and then altcoins go down, as you can see by the graph. Or if Bitcoin decides to not just hang as Bitcoin dominance goes up and it decides to go down too, then altcoins just dump. Not a situation, not a great situation to be in right there. I made a commercial, but the FCC didn't like it. I think I run into that every day. Milky cereal with extra milk. Comes with its own milk from what I'm told. I don't know. And then, about pint size to a gallon, just depends. They come in all sizes. All right. Oh man, I forgot my little my little notes there for Dave. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me get out of total 3 over here. We are Bitcoin dominance. Stable coins, good thing they're coming down. We're thinking we might be going up. They need to break this trend line. If it bounces and gets bullish, that's altcoins coming down for you. So make or break right over here. And if it comes down, that means people are selling and chasing altcoins and Bitcoin. Probably more Bitcoin than altcoin, according to Bitcoin dominance. I would believe it. Meanwhile, our altcoins today are kind of bleh. Some of them are doing okay. They're just kind of out there. What 1% gains is not bad. Most of them just hanging out, not doing much. For the week, it looks like we're up. Now we're about the same place we were last week. Not much has changed. And on the hour, nobody loves us. DXE's at $1.10. We're at not $1.10, but at $10. You're at an interesting price right there. Let's come over and take a look at what is popping, what's not popping over here on the CoinGecko. 17 people hanging out with the turkey. Thank you for being here. We'll see if we see anything going on with altcoins. Looks like Luna C, G-Gens are out there trading, running price up 25%, hoping the other people will chase it and they can sell out on them. Genius also running up 20%. Unibase, never heard of these guys. Are we on the top 300? Oh my God. Gnosis Sky AI. Now we looked at that one, but I don't think that I ever found a place to trade it. Did I? Do you see the chart? I don't even have to go to the chart. Let's look at this. Sky AI went sky. It's sky crazy. It just went right up. What the freak up? Except on the, wait a minute, on the 24th. What were we looking at? Was it on the yearly? Okay, on the yearly. It's had a good year. You've had a really good year. Oh my gosh, you were 6 cents and now you're 50 cents, 44 cents. 1 billion tokens, all your Binance play? How about that? Well, yeah, that's probably why I'm not in it. Not for anything serious. BitTensor Tau, she's coming up a little bit. Yeah, baby. Virtuals, we're looking at that. The ADHD trader, let's go Road Dog, or should I say Road Turkey? Love the stream, man. Thank you for being here. The ADHD traders, I found out there's another streamer over here. I checked him out. I think I've even got him listed on my favorites, either here or Crypto Parody 1. Maybe over Crypto Parody is listed. He does live streams over here. I think they're faceless live streams, right? And that's fine. That's fine. I do those sometimes too. And looks like we got some videos over here, but let's go check him out. Oh, you got 1,000 subscribers. Good for you, man. Good for you. And maybe we get a few more from this stream, but go check him out. Go check out his live streams and everything. Oh, that's an 8-hour live stream, man. Oh, cool. So you can always check him for an update and stuff and things like that. That's cool. I like that. I would do that too. All right. And again, I think I've got you on my, yeah. I got you right down here. I've got, so far, this is on Crypto Parody. This is not the Road Dog. This is where all the music and stuff is, or videos and stuff. The stoner crap there. We got the Road Dog Crypto Topic, which is all the music releases. We got Joe Trade Intuition, his channel, Meet Damon's channel, ADHD Trader, and got Ave Medina's. I feel like I'm saying your name wrong, Ave. I don't know the correct pronunciation. Hope I'm not butchering it. All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, 21 people hanging out with the turkey. Let's take a look. I just subscribed to the, oh, cool. Well, all right. Yeah. Small group support. That's what I'm saying. Hey, Clan Cappy's button work, man. Yeah. I support the other fellow YouTubers out here. It's hard as hell. I've been trying this for 4 years. I haven't even broke past 2,000 people yet. It's crazy, especially if you're live streaming, right? They like videos, and for some reason, shorts work. Part of the reason that I've got this other channel going is I'm just kind of curious to see, since how much faster it grows. There's 12 subscribers over here, and some of these videos are getting more than my streams got for months and months. Well, I didn't do a stream for about the first year. My videos would get for months and months and stuff. The Friday night crypto video show. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's worth checking out. It came out well. It should have come out better, but it still came out very well. And I think the next one will come out even nicer. And we'll have some new challenge videos up there. You don't know what's coming. Don't miss it. And you get to vote. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to vote. Well, let's get back to Bitcoin and all that good stuff because, well, that's what we're here for, right? Bullish on Parade. Good to see you, my man. Been a minute. Hope as well. Praise Jesus and God bless. And always praise Jesus. I give God all the glory for everything in my life, everything positive in my life. I know it comes from me own. And His Son, Jesus Christ, who's bridged a way for us to know God again. And you can see me, and I don't know, you see me talk about things, use questionable, but my God loves me. And I'm not perfect, but I am a work in progress, just like all of us are, right? And gradually, if you've seen where I've come over the years, I'm a different person. I'm a different person. I'm a better person, a much better, and a much more peaceful person. Let's take a look at DXE. I know I'm taking care of them. All right, so right here we're on the daily for DXE, and that's kind of cool. She went up, and what goes up, they come down and did a little M-top. Classic, man. Yeah, but it's what's so weird is that when you're going through this phase of a parabolic move, very few people are thinking about what's coming next, right? And even here, you're going to have people, this is a good place to buy. And maybe, usually not, though. Usually not. I'm buying that high or low. But usually, if they got a parabolic move, they usually come down a little bit more and kind of, they have to regroup. This distribution, then you have a markdown, and then reaccumulation. That's the mark, how the market works. That's part of the price action. Distribution, however you want to look at it, but looks like this range is distribution, markdown, accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown, and continued markdown through here. Reaccumulation in these areas all through here. And then they are the ones that are more than likely selling on everybody else to bring it all down. 200 moving average is a good place to look for this one, the 100. For a bigger pullback here, I would think that we would need this one being such a move and it being parabolic like that. You see our 382 didn't hold right there, right? You got the M top over here, and I don't see our harmonic not on that. But I would be looking at the 786 fib level overall. Oh my gosh. That sounds bearish, doesn't it? I'm telling you, really bearish on this one. I was hoping to find an entry because I kind of like it. But the daily 9 is about to cross over the 21 moving average. At best, you know, if we could come back and just retest it, that would be the best scenario right here, just to bounce off the 618. That would be a lot more bullish, and that could get us to a higher high over here, about $20. That would be the most bullish situation. But there is the idea of coming back. I don't see it. It's hard for me to see that happening. Honestly, you got a lot of trend lines to break through over here before you do that. DEXE. Well, no long to be had here. There's one idea there, but I don't think it's going to hold. We'll have to see. Let me come back over to the chat here. You may be a work in progress, but I'm a piece of work, says Treya. What's up, everybody? What's up, Road Dogs? This is Crypto Squid. How you doing, man? Man, I killed it on Lab. L-A-B. L-A-B. I don't know anything about that one, I don't think. Let's take a look at Oh, look at that. I would say I'm on the daily over here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Look at that. Let's see. What would we have been looking for over here? What would you have been looking for over here? You got a symmetrical triangle that actually did break up. Oh my God, I'm surprised about that. I would have been looking for something more along the lines of this. I would have been interested in this. I would have been interested in this. I would have paid attention to this and maybe gotten in on it, but I don't trust these little bastards. There's an M pattern over here, and I think these ideas right around the trend line. Anything happen around the major trend lines when I zoom out, those would be the places I would be looking, trying to get in over here. That would be a retest of this area right over here too. I did a nice little retest too. And then it shot off like a bat out of hell. Look at that. That's crazy. And now it's all the way back. It's all the way back. Look at that. All this volume came in. Oh, you guys can't see it because I got words on the screen. And an alien. Hey, Green Man, can you move over? Hey, my man. My man. My Green Man. My alien. He acts like he can't hear me. I think he's ignoring me. I think he's pissed because he didn't get a raise. It says the 21 moving average on the 4-hour, maybe, and maybe that will be a little something there. I still see some good signs over here. You might have a chance to get back in. That's a pretty amazing little. Look at me percent. I bet it's gonna be crazy. Oh, 400% gains, or more than 400%, just depending on where you got in. What if he was in down here? What if he been in it for a minute? In it for a minute. If you were in it for a minute, you had conviction that you had to play over here, playing something on the swing trades. 1,500%. However, if you were just over here just looking for a quick little scalp, you would have been in and out, and you would have forgotten about this coin and missed out on everything too. I did not get in on this one. I don't even think I was following this. Oh, we got a nice little M top. Let's see what we got. I'm looking for an 886 retracement off the bat. I'm just going to go ahead and pull up my fibs. Let's see if we got... do you qualify? Yeah. No, I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't know if this is going to be a harmonic, but it can definitely act like it's not lining up perfectly. Depending on, I guess, your school of thought on those little guys there. Yeah, I'm not. No, I don't have you. I don't have you. I don't have it, but I will. I like the idea of this 886 Fibonacci area to see what kind of bottoming kind of structures that we might form there. On the smaller time frames, this is the 1 hour. We're gonna come back to the 15-minute, and we're headed down there, man. Well, congratulations, my man, for cleaning up on this one. That was we like good trading stories. Good trading stories. Oh man, hand clapping? What the hell, man? John, you're gonna have to get the mechanic back in here, or the plumber, or whoever was doing all this stuff before that messed it up. They need to come back and fix this correct. I'm just looking at trend lines. Lost that one, lost that one. Lab. Might there be something there in a few minutes? If it gets down to about $1.03 is about what I'm looking for. Somewhere close around $1 for an entry, might have something. It makes me wanna put a little alarm on this trend line to try to take a trade in it, but I know how I am with those. Did I put on the right thing? They'll pop up on my screen and I get pissed at them and I just erase them. They don't help me do a dang thing but annoy me. Alarms do not work with me. They just annoy me and piss me off. It's probably why I was late to school a lot. Got in at $1.50 and so did 3. Oh, cool. Cool. Good. We got BetaBot in the house. How you doing, BetaBot? Good to see you. All right, let's take a look at Tao. This is Tao on Binance. Oh, I didn't draw a line over there. It's still not. I had something at 294 over here. I didn't put a line up there. Lazy me. Another one was right down here where we just got rejected there. Where'd it go up to? 292. I'm on the 50-minute. Let's zoom out. Weekends. I like to track the. Oh, nice. Look at that, man. You went to the 200. Was looking at like you were maybe getting rejected or maybe trying to take it over. Boy, did you take it over. All right, so let's look at price action here. I'm on the 4-hour. Let's look what happened over here. What happens when we look at the moving averages? What are we looking for when it comes to these? What is our confirmation? What is the perfect thing that we want to see with these moving averages and candles when we talk about them on here, right? Well, I can't speak for everybody else, but I can speak for myself over here as soon as I can find my little paintbrush thing. This yellow moving average right through here. We were getting rejected, closing candle bodies underneath it. We had one that kind of played around, but it's this guy. This is your confirmation candle on this time frame. Be the same thing if we're on the 1 minute that you would want to wait for that. But the bigger the time frame that you got a confirmation on something like this, the stronger the idea is for it, and the stronger the play is, the stronger the momentum is for it, right? Your 4-hour time frames will give you bigger rewards than your 1 minute, or your 4-hour setups will give you bigger rewards than your 1 minute, your 3 minute, your 15-minute setups, right? So. And this is bullish. You looking good, Tao. I was starting to get a little bit worried. It had a big hype up, whatever happened, and then there's a big sell-off on it. And we came down beautifully to measure move areas, looks like. Looks like we still got a few little, still got 294 that we could be headed up to. And let's just go ahead and clean this guy off here a little bit. And zoom out and just realize where we are in Tao. Oh, this is what we're doing with Tao. This is it. I'm just going to touch those two guys. That seems to be the brunt of where we might be finding our resistance up there. Let me see if we got some Confluence. I would say that we probably do right here. So getting rejected there at the trend line and 618 Fibonacci area. That seems very, very high likely there. This is a nice bounce. Third bounce off of this major trend line here. That's good. It is most likely going to do something a little bit crazier. Or maybe even take us over here. What would that be? Would that be our 786 or 886? You look kind of pull our fibs over here just to see. I like to show you the Confluence. It gets in that area. It doesn't quite nail it. Really, really close Confluence right here in this sweet little zone of the 886 and 786 fibs right there, right? Now we do that's how I would be doing it. I'm doing an AB equals CD, and that gets us up there to the 786, just taking a little brunt of the move. So just doing some measure moves with the fibs there, which is a lot of what harmonics are. And And then we got this little guy, the little channel idea. So we're kind of mapping out the direction that it seems to be wanting to take as it's going through this range over here. I like to throw this little guy up sometimes when I can think about it. Let's see how close it comes up. Yeah, right there to that same line. So we're getting a lot of things pointing right over here to 460 for Tau. And then again, rejection area at 386. So there we go with Tau. It's underneath the point of control here, just bounced off of that line. Low, value area low here, which intersected with the trend line. That was a juicy place. Somewhere around 240, 250 was a beautiful place to get it, but it's still not too late. Got a golden cross here, the 50 over the 200. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, Tal. Makes me want to take a little swing trade on you, even though I'd have to chase you a little bit. I'm thinking 35% up to, what is that, 60% gains just on spot? Sounds kind of cool. Let's come down. That's what the daily's saying. Let's come down to the 4 hour. What are you saying? It almost makes me want to take a nibble. And I don't have a trigger. There's no setup. I missed the entry. The best entries were all through here, down here, and then right near about 266 when it broke out of that little channel idea. Either that or playing the diagonal over here, but you would have been in this one for a while. That was kind of nice of a retest idea for this trend line going through here, though. That would have been a good one. That would have been a good one right here. A good one to look for an entry. Or good technique. And it's above the 9, got above the 9 moving average right after that. 250. Yeah. I like it. Now we're above the 200 moving average, which means bullish. And I think I might want to set me a limit order for you. Ow. Let me find your support areas over here. We don't know if this is the top. It probably is. Now it's a 0.5 Fibonacci that we pulled right there. Resistance. Since I got you on here, let's go ahead and put our bigger target over here. And then our other little guy here. Feel like I'm taking too much time, spending too time up here. 23 people hanging out. Thank you for being here. I appreciate
For those
it.
of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
So we did have a 0.5 pullback, so we might have a top there. I'd be looking, 382 is what I'm looking for. All right, so I think I'm going to put a limited order in for that little guy. See if I can catch an entry there at 270. My stop losses when they kick in, or I guess I could set it ahead of time. Run around wherever it invalidates my trade. So at minimum, though, this trend line would invalidate what I'm looking for. Maybe could go a little lower, but whatever. 245, 246 is what I'm looking for. Yeah, that's a big one, man. Let's come over here to Weeks and see if we can find Tau over here. Tau, are you over here? Weeks, you're being janky again, aren't you? Let's go to... I'm about to go blow pin. I'm just saying. Do you not have Tau? You don't have Tau? Are you going to be janky? Are you going to let me trade? All right, blowfin it is, people. Blowfin it is. I don't know what's up with Weeks, man. It didn't do this, but now it does. It glitches up on me. Tau. Well, there you are, Tau. Look how easy that was. Just saying. All right. Oh, look, are we already in a trade? Nailed it. Nailed it. Who took the trade? Am I in it? Did I get stopped out? What the hell? I don't remember being in you over here. Oh, I am. Why are you in the negative? No, this is history, dude. What the hell? Am I in a Tau trade? I am not in a Tau trade. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I don't know what happened. I got stopped out or something. Maybe I got weird. Moved up my stop loss too soon. Oh no. But nailed it. All right, so we had that trade set. We gotta post this to the group because nobody believes me. I'm just saying.
Maybe I held too long.
Let me see if I can finagle you over here real quick. Shakalaka.
Never cared at all for the dreams I pinned to every rise. Now
All right, so let's go over here to the old vanity wall. That's where all the main things go. And while we're over here, oh crap, what's all this? Finance wallet, Telegram, what is all this? Forwarded from Binance. What is all this? What's spamming my thing over here? What is spamming my thing over here? What the hell is all this? This is my van. What's going on over here in my... Yeah, we're about to take care of that. All right, well, that can't... Well, delete man, you're gone. No spamming, nothing like that. All right, so this is Tau. Another target.
Echoes louder than the boom when bags die. When bags die, they don't whisper goodbye. They just disappear from sight.
That sucks. All right, so I nailed it. I nailed the target. But I did not nail the trade. I made that clear. I got the trade. But there were two setups over here, right? There were two of them right over there. And it's basically getting in about 259 and getting out at 292, 290 right there. I've got, there's something ringing in my ears over here, and I believe this is what pisses me off. Oh my God, that's so annoying. Do you guys hear that? This is Labs. Yeah, shut the hell up. Oh my God, yeah, delete that. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. That happens every time I set an alert. Just like what you saw there. Sometimes even more. Not as nice. But the labs work. The labs group thing went off. Let's go see what's where were we looking at that? Where were we looking at labs? Oh, lab, not labs, but lab. Lababu coin. Oh, now you came down deep. You came down deep. Look at you. Big old M top. What are you doing over here? Are you in the area or did you go? Oh, you're right. You trying to go below it. What are you doing over here? You can't. No, that's not a bottoming pattern over here. That's not a bottom formation. That is a, I'm falling through the ice and I can't get up. Help, I'm falling and I can't get up. Okay, and I'm coming to the 1 minute to see if we got anything. Okay, so, and I didn't see our harmonic structure there. I would have been more thinking that we would catch there. We might be coming lower, people. All right, so labs may be over. It may be, it's going to be going through its distribution. It looks like if you're looking at the wave count, though, you should probably be on the ABC correction or working on it, so it might come up and then come down. I don't see a sign of it trying to do it right now, though. I don't see a sign of it trying to do it right now. But you might see a retest of the bottom of the M. That might be at R52. That would be a nice play. It would be cool to take that play, but I don't see you trying to do it. Take a look at virtuals. Virtuals. Or virtual? Virtuals, or is it plural or singular? I thought it was. See, it says virtuals, plural protocol, but it says virtual for the ticker. 23 people hanging out with the turkey. Thank you so much. Be in here. All right, so trend line extend. That little guy's still good. This one I have gotten a possible. Let me get you off of there. You're kind of annoying. Harmonic pattern. That I mean, this is what I think could be happening. Possibility. We met the requirement so far, except for the last touch point, which would be at 230. That would be the place to take a short because it's a bearish pattern. Once it completes over here, it means take a short here. Look for this area to short. Should be coming back down. But since it doesn't say that, I'm gonna see. Maybe there might be. We got to get up there, right, for it to confirm. I want to ride that train. So I'm just trying to see what's going on over here. Virtuals, you trying to take me up there? Is it time for us to start working our way through this ribbon of moving averages over here? Oh man, I forgot about these guys. I got indicators down here too. I forgot about those. I'll forget about indicators if they're not showing up on my screen. And I'll just stick mostly to fibs and price action if it's. I would like to actually nibble on a little bit of virtual right in this range, honestly. So there's no good setup unless you're looking for the retest, but basically, I mean, looking at the bigger picture of things, make a nice little swing trade. Ideally, get around 71. We're at 73. What's a few penny among friends when we can sell it on everybody else when it gets up to for $2.30? What's a few penny among friends? I don't want to miss out on you, Virtuals. Are we at my Virtuals? Are you over here, Virchie? Do I need to take profit on anything? I need to take profit on QQQ, but it's not trading yet. I swear, I think it's going up now over the weekend. I want to add to it, but I don't want to add to it when it's not trading. Nothing that I can take profit on right now. Did we get stopped out of stuff? What's happening over here? This account is not freaking growing. I'm just hanging out. Are we just doing this for fun? All right, listen, Weeks. This is supposed to be for profit. I think we had this conversation account. Sean, I think you got something to do with this. Don't run off. Don't you run off. Don't you run off, Sean. Get it back now. Here, boy. Sean. All right. Damn. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look. You had a hand in some of this. That's not bad. That's pretty cool. I'll wash out now. So stops out. Not as many winners as you got stops out, Sean. I'm just saying. CL, you got your ass handed to you in oil. Or I did. I'm just blaming it on Sean. I got my ass handed to my oil. Not my bad. It's about 3 times my stop loss, but I mean, that's just me rationalizing, trying to make myself feel better about it. Shame on you, Turkey. You sucked. And now it's not telling me anything. Weeks. Now you're being janky again. Not only do you embarrass me from all my people, you just cut out everything towards we're not allowing you to trade any. This is why I'm coming back over to Blowfan, mister. All right. They treat me better. Look, I am up on WIF 23%. It's time to take some profits. We took in a little bit before, but it is time to do it. This is the counts that we do here. I try to take care of them here. 25% because we're at 23% profit. And I'm not up anywhere else. How have you looked over here? You look like you've been down a little bit, have you? That was a little bit over. That was a good Bitcoin trade. How come you're not bigger? That's what my wife keeps asking me too. What's your excuse? All right. Well, oh yeah, that's right. I was trying to trade virtuals. You probably have it over here, don't you? I want to get in. I shouldn't. I just see a good opportunity there. I see a good opportunity for the range. It'd be like a swing trade. It'd be like one that will probably be over here for a week or so, maybe more. So in that aspect, it doesn't matter that if I wait for it to get to 71 or if I buy it at 73. He says inside his head, thought he can FOMO in. That's exactly how your voices talk to you inside your head. They make them sound like logic. Gotta watch out for that. But the biggest rule is risk management. And as long as you half-ass manage that, well, you stand a little chance. So for me to do this, yeah, I can get in. I'm going to keep my leverage low. I'm actually going to go down to 2x. And I'm only going to take a little bit of nibble on a market. I bought 4 virtuals on this tiny ass account. I'm nibbling. I also had another limit order down at 71.40. How's that? You come to me. You'll come to me this time. And I believe I can also set my little stop losses down here at 66 cents. I don't want to put a take profit in just yet. I don't want to put the take profit in just yet. She's a swing trade, baby. Oh, not a short. We're long in. Oh man, I gotta buy more. All right, I buy more. Do we not have? There we go. Wait a minute. Oh shoot! You tried to buy me at a higher price over here. That's a sneaky ass move. I'm trying to go for 71.30 right through there. think it was 71.40. Why are you not doing this? All right. I think we got it this time. Why was that so? Where is it? What, you should be putting a line over here, man. What's up? You didn't go ahead and buy it, did you? Verify, don't trust, motherfucker. Is there an order? Is there an open order? Okay, there is an open order. Yeah, there it is. Now it's showing up. Man, you guys are being janky tonight, man. So I'll see if it can come down and slide into my DMs over here, and maybe we'll get something going on. I don't know. It might resonate. Might go a little bit lower. I think it will, but I'm cool with that. I'm not saying anything just really, really magnificent out here tonight on a Saturday, but here's a crash into the border of Mexico. What? Say word. Don't trust the smelly ones. You'll never wash it off. Aliens and stars. That was an interesting conversation, I gotta say. I was going to ask ChatGPT to help me decipher that, but I forgot it only works over here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me come back over to the chat. I feel like I was just here. I'm drinking ginger alien. I just made that one up. That's pretty clever. We got Duality C. How you doing, Duality C? Good to see you, my man. Thanks for hanging out. 21 people. Still got 21. Do we have anything you guys want to look at, or you just want to look at all the stuff that there's not much going on, honestly? This is what we're working with. And it's not very exciting over here. Yet. Unless you're in these little things over here. Akash Network, you're getting a little traction. That's cool. So you can start taking a look at the ones that are moving up just a little bit. Caspa's moving up. Kite is about 15 cents. Pendle, that one keeps going back and forth between the gainers and losers. They've been playing Pendle. Take a look at Pendle. I used to like Pendle. I used to play Pendle a lot. I used to play it a lot on spot margin. It's at 160 right now. It came from a low of $1. Zoom out to the daily and see she's been up a lot higher. I mean, could make an interesting longer term hold. Let's get the bulk of our touches over here. Oh, you could be breaking back. Oh, that's kind of nice. That could be a bear trap idea. Double bot. You're sexy. Sexy. I like what I'm feeling tingly. Like a massive head and shoulder. Anyway. Yeah, that measure move's gonna kill it all. Take it all the way down to -$3. I like what I'm seeing here. Let me do a little finagle. Let's just no, I don't want to clear everything off. Let's see if we got if you tick my little boxes over here. You're ticking one of them right now. You ticked it, yes you did. You little box ticker. Swing high, swing low.
My ledger just grew thrusters, it's blasting through the roof. I'm trying to hit the brakes, but my
scale her down, baby. Scale her down. Where do we want to scale her down to? I want to go right here. I'll go to the very localist. The localist of the localist. You know what? Hey, thank you for the super chat, and I'll be right there with it. I have not updated that stuff yet. At some point, I'm going to have to update my studio and everything, right? Had this thing going for 4 years. If we're going to have dancers, I need them dancing in a safe place, not on a road. And they keep wanting to dance in the middle of the road, dancing in the streets, I guess. I don't know. But I was going to put probably Squirrely Dave up during comedy whenever somebody gives me a super chat. It just lasts about maybe 10 seconds or something. It'd be cool if I could make him say something different every time. Don't know if I can do that yet. All right, so 886 Confluence with that little idea. That's sweet. All right, be over to the super tab. I have to remind myself of it right now. So we're looking at 186, maybe 225 idea for Pendle. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. What's going on over here? Oh, nice breakout. Oh, baby, baby. So we're looking at 138. If it wants to come back somewhere 138, 140, it's at 160 now. You're like, I'm on the daily chart, and it's just like, oh man. If you're looking on the daily, it looks like, well, okay, we missed a little bit of it. We didn't nail the breakout or nail the bottom. It's starting to do something, right? It's starting to do a lot. You come to the 4 hour, it looks like, oh my God, you're so high on the top. You're flat. And it can be, and it technically it is. It is. So these are ones that I scale into when I play them. That's what I do. If I miss the move, there's always a good chance it comes back to the breakout area. That's just the rule of the trend line game and pattern game. But if I can scale in, I don't want to forget about it, don't want to miss it. And so I think I'm going to come over here to the tiny account. Let's see, you got Pendle? Oh my God, you got something over here? I'm going to lower my leverage again. I want to go 3x on this one. I think that's pretty doable. And I'm just going to throw me in just a little bit. Not that much on the tiny account. When you come down, we'll talk about it. All right, so the hell? Oh crap! You did it! You got me again! You, gosh darn it, Wix! Closed it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Do you see what happened? Sneaky freaking exchanges! I tell you what, Blowfin doesn't do this. Blowfin doesn't do this, but Wix and some others of them do. They will start you off at 20x leverage. I thought did I not just say that I was trying to take it down to 4 or 3 or something? Did I phase out? Was that my imagination happening over here? They got me on some crazy ass leverage over here. Listen, 3x is all I'm wanting right now. Thank you. I went in, I was going to pull my stop loss and it's telling me you're going to lose $7. And I'm like, no, I'm not. How much did that cost me? How much did that cost me on my tiny account? Okay, not even a penny. All right, I'll let that one slide. I'll let that slide. But damn it, Weeks, come on. Why is everything red? Why is everything red? Dash, what the hell's going on with you? I'm supposed to take 25% profit, and you went down 25% on me. What the holy hell, Dash? Squirrel. I'm getting distracted over here. Did you break a trend line? You broke a trend line, bearish retest. Oh, I am not liking you. You know what? I wonder if that rule works in reverse. I've never tried it in reverse, but if I'm in a losing trade and haven't yet got stopped out and I'm down 25%, I wonder if I could take 25% and de-risk. In a bear market? That almost sounds logical. Is that the logic? Are they talking to me? Are they lying to me again? Sometimes sometimes it's emotions are lying. They'll lie to you.
What happened? I say.
But I do like to experiment. It didn't do hardly any damn thing right there. I got a realized loss of 16 cents. I guess it did do something. I was trying to get in on something over here and I got sidetracked. It was Pendle, right? Yeah. All right. I don't know if I want to trade you here or not, man. All right, back to Pendle. We're not in. 3x. Gotta check that little box. All right, you're in, and I bring you down. Yes, that is more. Well, thank you. Oh, are you at my limit? What? They say I'm reckless, I say I'm just vibing. Wrong ticker. All right, well, whatever, dude. So we lost a trend line, but we got something going on right here. Looks like we're losing that too. We'll see. She comes down, and then my plan is to pyramid in and let me draw a little reminder for myself what my strategy is doing. All right. 23 people hanging out. Thank you for hanging out with the turkey. We've been going for about an hour here. We went over Bitcoin and the market in general. The news. We're supposed to go to the news because there was some interesting things over there, and I almost forgot. Give me just a second to get this set up, and are you going to do it? We have to do it after we get there, don't I? Yeah, I'm going to have to do that afterward. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and go to the newsroom over here. It's not it, Sean. I think we got it. Oh, man, we are so professional. We got it all pulled up and ready to go over here. All right, so Layer GG had put some news out. I think it's worth going over. Let me make sure I turn this news music down a little bit. All right, what happened in the last 24 hours over here? This was on April 30th, so this is a couple days older. All right, so Mega ETH MemeCoin Fluffy is up 100%. So the meme coins have been taken up. We should have went over this, and we could have been chasing memes right along with everybody else. But mascot of the Mega ETH has risen by about 100% as of now. Market cap is $366,000. Official Upbit and BitThumb official have previously announced the listing of Mega, and there's the contract address for that. Send, there is an exploit on Send, SYND. An exploit has occurred on the Syndicate Bridge. The bridge has been compromised, and the exploiter sold approximately 330,000 worth of Send tokens. And there's the contract. Oh, that's some good research. There's the contract of the exploiter, if you may want to check that out right there. Vitalik has been selling his meme coins. Vitalik has sold 40 million asteroid for 114,000 USDC. As Vitalik Buterin sold all the tokens that he had received from the asteroid deployer, the price dropped by 51% within 1 minute. And now you know he's dumping on you, don't you? After the news spread, DGen started buying, pushing it up 104% in 1 hour, and the market cap reached a peak of 16.8. Well, that's a comeback story. That's pretty cool. Okay, Vitalik is selling all of his meme coins in his wallet. After selling, oh, we just did that. That's because you breathed it. Has sold approximately $68,000 worth of tokens across 851 transactions for about 28.6 ETH. And I believe that's 1.4 wrapped Ethereum and 4 DAI. Okay. The exploit has occurred in Sweat Economy. It was reported of a leak of Sweat token occurred from the foundation account of the M2E project, Sweat. However, according to at Sweat Economy, the balance was fully recovered with the help of at MEXC and others. Then Sweat token only saw a minor drop of around 4%, negative 4% there. The Kyber Network exploiter sent 8,400 Ethereum worth about $19.5 million to Tornado Cash. Kyber Network lost $48 million in October 2023 after a flaw in its flash loan swap logic was exploited. The wallet now holds only 6,061 Ethereum. All right, and this gets back to my warning about a lot of these DeFi plays out there, some of these that were on there, especially any of them that were copycat DeFi plays, because open source, and that's how a lot of them spring up. A lot of them have already went under anyway. But you just had developers and you had people that just wanted to put things together quick to make money. There have been exploits. Now we have AI. Now we have Claude Mythos, which can spot this stuff in a heartbeat. But even your other AIs are getting really good at finding all these exploits and helping these hackers do what they do, which is hack. And as I predicted a year and a half ago, you're going to have to be a lot more conscientious security-wise because of AI and hackers using AI to up their game more. So be very cautious. Make sure you have a good wallet. I use Tangem. If you want to save 10% on your Tangem purchase, you can get a wallet. The cards, they are awesome. Work with your phone. RFID. All the cool kids have them. Save 10% with DAWG. Just throw that out there. All right, so that was pretty much what we got for the news. He hasn't put anything else back up there, but I thought we'd get over that. 23 people and you stuck around for the news. I'm impressed, people. Let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming over here. Sean, hit the freaking button, man. Where are you, Sean?
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
John Shakira is on my screen. I mean, I'm not bitching or anything, but why is Shakira on my screenshot? Can you? Hey, how you doing? I like the Hips Don't Lie song. Can you show me that little? She didn't stick around very long, did she? That's the story of my life right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Let me come back to the chat and see our fine people. Aliens! We got aliens! Has anyone vinyl wrapped a car? I not, but it looks cool. From what I've seen that they can do, it's amazing. I don't even know how much it costs, but it does look, I mean, gosh, that's an alternative to a paint job, right? And you can get some real cool stuff, graphic-wise. Gator Squatch is in the house. Good to see you, Gator. Hey, my hand clappies. Oh, now they're working. We'll figure that out. Silver Day says Z-Beck, please. We'll take a look at that. So Z-Beck Network, let's see who's got the best. Put the right ticker in, ZBC in. Let's go take a look at Bybit. Is this right? Mother, no, wait a minute. No, that might be something different. ZBEC. Let me type it in right. ZBC is what I'm getting. ZBEC Network, right? Okay. Oh, that's it. I thought it was a lot more. Wasn't it around? Must have been thinking about a different one. Remembering some different prices. Oh no, it went up. That's what it is. It went up. It finally went up. You found a shot. Has it been that long since I looked at it? Has it been 2 weeks since I looked at it? Wow, look at that. I kept bitching because it kept... I think this was the one. No, maybe it's not. Maybe this is not what I'm thinking about. I don't know. Anyway, that's nice. It did go up because it's got a breakout. We'll take a look at it. Retest of this is quite possible. 50 moving average trying to come up to that 200 right there. Right there in that area. Was that 0.0027 area? That would be the place to look at your position, or that 0.5 Fibonacci right there. The 0.5. We got all the Confluence in the world pointing. Oh, let's go right here, baby. Maybe we can work down there and be all right. We'll draw a trend line and scare the hell out of them. We'll pop down in there real quick. It could. All right. I think it will. I think it's going to wick down here and then it can pop back up and make a bear trap. Or maybe it won't make a bear trap. Maybe it'll do something else. But that could be happening. And I'm leaning toward that. I am leaning for a possible bear trap idea. We'll see. I don't know if she'd... However she wants to do it. Or maybe it loses it and goes sideways. But... I like this area. I like the trend line. The other option is to bounce off of this and just go to the moon. And I'm not going to draw those out, but I will label it out here. The target we'll be looking at one target here, and then another one right over here, 0.0056. First target's at 0.005. And that would be nice if we just bounce from where we are, or a little bit lower. I'll go a little bit lower. Still 67% move. But if we come back down to the 0.5, we're not going to have that target, but we can still get some good traction, 70%. That would be a retest of the breakout area. I kind of like that. What else? Have we got any other secrets that you want to tell me? Oh, that's cool. I almost missed that. That's why we're getting some support over here. I almost missed that. We got one of them symmetricalies. We just X'd it out there. I almost missed it. Oh, come down to the 2 hour, 200 move. Oh, I almost missed this. That 382 fib is holding up. 200 moving average. This is 2 hour. Trying to do a U-turn. Ah, I've been sitting here waiting for it to come down. Look, I showed her head and told her. Over her head and shoulder. Right over here. That's actually a nice head and shoulder, honestly. It is. That's a nice head and shoulder right there. Now, if you're looking at that idea, well, you're looking for lower than what we were looking for before. And that could be taking it down to 0.0025, right? Well, that would suck. But what we're doing at the moment, even if you're looking at this pattern, is coming back up to retest it. So we need this to be a bear trap idea. We need to get back over here. And then we need to take out this guy that will invalidate this idea. Invalidate that pattern. And I can go from bodies to bodies, I believe. That's a steep trend line I got. I'm sure it will have a lot of influence, but not as much as this one. Let me give it that one right there. So yeah, we really need to get back up to 0.0033, hold that area, and then we might be bullish or confirm bullish. I kind of like what I'm seeing on this end right over here. I'm gonna make this line green for buy. I'll make it big and fat so I can sell it among all the other lines and crap I got drawn on this gosh darn chart. All right, so yeah, drawing that other trend line just kind of helped kind of spell out another possibility. I would have missed that. If I hadn't done that. The power trend lines, ladies and gentlemen, the power trend lines. 18 people hanging out. All right, Gator Squats. Oh man, let me go to the fan funding over here. That was the one. I'd say I go over and I freaking squirrel. Gator Squat, ZBCN. And okay, that's the one that we just now looked at. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate your support for the channel, and hand clappies are not working right now. There we go. Thank you, my man. So we got that, and I think it can bounce here. I do. This is 2 hours. Let's see what it says on the 15. Trying to flip a ribbon over here, but smaller time frames, it's easier to unwind them. Here it is on the 1 minute, and it's trying to flip it positive right now. So, and if you're on the DGen 1 minute, oh man, I feel like I need to get in this since we're. Why don't I get on that? Oh, well, I can make some money too. I need a target. Let me get my trade set up over here. Oh, that's not very much for local. 17%. Let me zoom out. What were we looking at over here? Oh yeah, we're looking at these bigger guys, right? But that's if we bounce from here, which we could be. 0.005. Let me try that. I don't remember doing the song. I forgot about it. We don't yet have that breakout. What, on the 1 hour? You look a little bit bearish on the 1 hour. I always get over to the actual chart and then it starts doing it, and then I start. Sounds like I'm second guessing myself. Sometimes I do. Sometimes it looks a little bit different over here. I can get in with a little nibble. Check my leverage where my blowfin. Blowfin is good. They always start you out at 3x. They don't pull those silly little games like Weeks and all the other ones do. Get you in on a 20x. Unknowingly. So I'm trying to put the minimum I can to get in. Oh you're getting that little bit to get in. Starting to get to my areas over here. Liquidations is, well, liquidation actually is my allowance. So I can step my stop loss all the way down there if I choose. I don't choose to. I choose to put it where it invalidates my trade, and where it invalidates my trade would be below this trend line. So I can go underneath here. That would be a good place. That'd be me risk 60 cents. Or I can go over here if I want to take a little bit higher risk of getting wicked out. If it does that, the market makers want to try to be cute. I'll give it a little room to stew around. I'd like to try to add some along the trend line if we get back down to it. 24 people hanging out with the turkey. We're just over here doing a little bit of trading and whatnot on our tiny ass accounts. Squatchy Raps. Mine came from what? I think I need to come back up here and catch up with this chat. We're talking about the... Be careful, Cody. If you use soapy water, you can slide it around. Oh, do it yourself? I mean, I knew there were places you could take it and get it done. It makes sense. DIY people would do it themselves. String cutter for more intricate work. You should be good with just a blade. So kind of like putting window tint on, but you're doing it on the outside of a car or something like that. Is that what we're talking about? Huh. I would definitely screw mine up. I'd have to pay somebody to do it. I would start with good intentions, but I would end up with bubbles or something freaking wrong. Or set it on fire. Sorry, we chat Bob the turkey. No, you're good. Hey, listen, that helps. Chat rate is 6. Chat away. That's what it's there for. They get the chat going, and then it brings more people in. So it's when you get quiet, everybody starts disappearing and stuff. So you can talk about whatever you want to talk about. I'm just trying not to ignore you guys and be over here. Ball. But let me take a look. We just don't have anything really going on much on coins. I'm gonna come over here to CoinGecko. We're just going to look at the top, and I'm just going to kind of screen through the price action over here and see what's looking interesting. Toppy, you're Tether. Tether, that's always a good one. It always goes up. Bitcoin Cash looks kind of, that's crazy. What are you, $443? My gosh. Bitcoin Cash. It's been doing better. I mean, even as this bear market, it has done a lot better in this bear market than it ever has before. Crazy. So is Monero this time around. They've been holding pretty good. The boomer coins with the good tokenomics, layer 1s and stuff, they've been holding. Chainlink's even at $9. XLM, I don't know about you. Well, looking at I forgot to look at the chart. I quit looking at the chart. I just started writing them down over here. Zcash, she's kind of toppy. Bitcoin Cash does look interesting. Monero, she's rangy. There's not a setup there, I don't see. Stellar, XLM. I doubt that I would want to take that one. Litecoin is at an interesting place. It's $55. What else is looking kind of interesting? What is this? MemeCore M? That one looks interesting. And Crow looks interesting. Oh, it's at 6.7. Yeah, Crow probably is a good little place. Cow, she's tapped out. She's up there. Maybe she'll keep on going, but it's that resistance. Mantle M&T. Haven't seen you do anything yet. Let's go sideways. OKB's already taken off. That one's an interesting coin. When it gets going, it just goes pretty good. And then we got Sky AI. I thought everybody was chasing that today. It actually looks like it might be in a decent place to look. Didn't we look at that earlier? No, I guess not. I didn't have them on my list. What else have I got? Anything else? Aave token. Aave token looks interesting. All right, let's come over here. These are some of the top 100 coins, not anything degen. But I am kind of curious about Sky AI. Let's see what it's doing over here. This is Perpetual Futures. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah. It was good to get in at 8 cents and sell at 50. All right, so yeah, you're doing too good, Sky. Let's take a look at MemeCore. I think Kraken has you, right? Is this you? It's at 291. Make sure I got the right one over here. Yeah, MemeCore, you're at 292 over here. Yeah, it's gonna be the right one. All right, so it went up to almost $5. Now we're a little bit below 3. Testing that 50 moving average is starting to look a little interesting. Should be getting close to a place to get in. Well, that's nice. Are you curving? I think you're curving. Let me try a few little tricks and giggles over here. There's your 1-to-1.
Sunday evening price spikes like a joke. We think it's the bottom, go all in, go broke. Monday open, back to the grind. Same old manipulation, same old decline. Retail gets chopped, institutions feast. Weekends when they
Going deep.
the beast unleashed. We reload the charts, tell ourselves next time, but deep down we know it's the same damn crime.
No I'm sleeping, we're glued to the feed. Praying for volume, begging for a bleed. Weekends the slaughter, the perfect time to lose. While the big boys laugh and collect their dues. Everybody's getting busted on the weekend. Busted on the weekend.
I'm gonna play around some measure moves here. All right, and there's a good chance we might be catching some. We might be catching something right here at this 50 moving average right here. It lost a local trend line, right? Well, there's a second one. Oh, yeah, just right below it. There's a second trend line right there. 2 touches down here. And then we come up, and that's the one that we lost, right? Because on the day, let's go down to the 4 hour and see what we can make sense out of this. So on the daily, I think we're getting really close to a place to enter over here. If I'm looking at my trend lines, it would have me waiting a little bit. Or a little bit more down, probably down just a few cents. At 291 right now, maybe 270 right through there. So I can see her dropping a little bit more down through here. I'm going to put me a little limit order here, about 270 though. Weeks, you fill up to this? What is this, MemeCore? Do you have that over weeks? Yeah, can I get it under 20x? Or are you going to hose me on this one too? Oh, hell yeah, you're all ready to hose me. Look, all set up for 20x on this crap. That's some bull crap. You're how much? I believe I can go 4. We were 290, and I was looking for you to come down to where? About 269. So I want to put a limit order in. I'm just going to put 270. We'll go with the psychological resistance support.
You're not shy, you get around. You wanna fly, don't want your feet on the ground.
I think I'll put my stop loss in manually.
Won't come down.
Well, no, I can't. I can still. No, I should probably put it in over here. Let me bump up to a higher time frame. Saw this on the daily. I should probably really do some things over on the daily with it. Oh, look, you're actually kind of. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit of a gap there. I'll put my stop loss over at 240. Oh, that's doable. Yeah. All right. Okay, I've got it set up. So I put a limit order in just to catch it down here at the bottom of the trend line area. It'll come and get me. Let's see if I can wait. And then I got to stop. If it does come and get me, I got to stop loss set in case it breaks my trend line. And I'm wrong. And if I'm right, then hopefully I'll come back and see it's filled my order and gotten profit if things go according to my wishes and dreams, which don't happen every damn time, especially you. What the hell is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Dash? Come on. Get your stuff together, Dash. This day I'm in red on everything over here, but yet not stopped out. I got my stop losses all set. So, except for this guy. Why do you not have a stop loss and you're negative? Oh, you're Bitcoin. Oh. What else does hype? You don't have a stop loss? What the hell's happening over here? Stop loss. I'm not an $18 stop loss. What the hell? Oh, I'm on a 4 hour. 4 hour. That's not the time frame I was trading. I'm gonna go steep on you, baby. I'm gonna steep on you. I gotta go here. Right at invalidation. Probably gonna lose this one. So, one thing I can... Wait a minute, hype. I thought I had some profits set. Didn't you just tell... No, Bitcoin had the profit set, not hype. You're down 2%. I think what I will do... Or will I? We double topped. Yeah, I don't have as much faith in this with the double top. I mean, it double topped. Oh, wait a minute. You look different now. Okay, you went higher. You actually went higher. We'll give it a little time. I'll just let my stop loss do its thingy thing. That was what, hype? That's not a big trade. Okay. All right, and what we got a stop loss there is hype. You're still telling me I don't have a stop loss. Why are you telling me that? Or was it Bitcoin that I was looking at? I guess it was Bitcoin I was looking at. Alright, whatever. It must be getting late. Turkey must be getting freaking tired over here. Make sure I got my stop loss alright. On hype. Are we okay? Hey, you're within a good reason. Within a good place. Okay, I'm good. It must have been... I was tripping. Tripping chicken. Tripping turkey. Well, I'm embarrassed to stay over here because it all looks horrible. No wonder you're a tiny account. You suck. You suck. It's a little bit better over here. It's half-ass better over here. It's half-ass better. We're just watching everything do what it does. All right, wait a minute. Stop losses were set there, right? Gotta keep checking that, man. I swear sometimes... Look! Yeah! Wait a minute. Did we not? Oh, come on now. Jeez. What else doesn't have a stop loss over here? My Bitcoin short? Let me get a Bitcoin short going on over here. It's finally in profit. I think it was been out of profit. It's been in drawdown too. You don't have a stop loss? Sean, are you coming over here and taking my stop losses off for meanness? What the hell is going on? You know, it's risk management, Sean. He just said screw risk management. All right. Get your own account, Sean. Freaking degen. Soap and water around here, right? Oh, we're talking this. Chatty Chat as a bonus points for Turkey makes YouTube look good. Yes, it does. It does. Been loving my time. Let's take a look at that, Strega. You mentioned that earlier. Strega's been playing time for a long time. I'm just saying. And I have too. I've still got some somewhere. I don't want to look at it because it's way down from where I bought it. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to look at... Oh, man. Where's a good place? Where's a good place? I guess we'll just go with Coinbase over here. Let's look at it against the dollar. Yeah, 517. Nice. It's been playing. It's been spiking up and coming back down. It got up to $9, came back to, oh my God. I'm glad I have not been watching this. I'd be pissed as hell, probably. But it's got a breakout idea going on here now. I would really like to see this be a real project that actually does something. It's human resources. I mean, it sounded like a really interesting concept that might take off, but it didn't do a damn thing, really, the cycle. As far as, I mean, it did all right. It got up to 40. When was this? Yeah, I got to, I feel like an idiot. Oh, I feel like such an idiot. Oh my God, I feel like an idiot because I didn't sell it. I didn't sell hardly anything that I should have sold when they were up in March of 24. That was my biggest mistake that I made all cycle, was not getting the hell out of altcoins. March and April 2024. That was the perfect time just to sell in May, walk away, or sell in April, walk away. That would have been, I'd be flexing my Lambo right now. All right, so falling in wedgie, breakout, possibly. It looks promising, Strega. It looks like she. I don't know how long it'll stay in this little range down here, but I think it looks promising that it's trying to do something. It's trying to cross these ribbons, these moving averages, and do some stuff even on the daily above the. It's currently above the 200. It's testing and having problems getting above it and staying, but right now it is above the 200 moving average on the daily, and that's a pretty good candle on the 4 hour. Fingers crossed. It's going to have to fight through this, but it's looking. It'll be a little choppy, but it's doing it. I do see this move right here. Let me go ahead and plug it. Yeah, let's see if we got some confluence on you. Give it to me, baby. Hell yeah! Oh, we got the 382 Fibonacci. Oh, you're the juicy one. You 0.5 pull back or bigger? You went below the 0.6. Okay. Not odd. I mean, she didn't. It might set up for an AB equals CD. That's what I'm playing just right there. It didn't really hit my targets perfectly for an AB equals CDs, but let's see if we can get it. It did get Confluence this way with the measure move, and so play that little sucker. So what do you think about $9.50, Strega? You think we can do it? I can retest at $7 because it looks like it's wanting to try to. I hope it does. I hope it does. 25 people hanging out with the turkey. Thank you for being here, my friends. If you have not been over and watched our crypto parody channel over here where all the music stuff is being transferred, we've got a video show over there. It's going to be a weekly show. It is Friday night crypto videos, and there are challengers and reminiscent of Friday night videos from back in the 80s or whatever, throwback to that. But we've got our host who was here on the show, Miss Jenny Jiggles, is hosting the show, and she should be right on over here, but go check it out. We got the cool parrot. He is our mascot over on that channel. Keeps everything straightened out and adds some personality. We got Squirrely Davis, Miss Jenny. She is our VJ over there. She did a very lovely professional job. Shout out to Miss Jenny Jiggles. And don't forget the videos that you'll watch and can vote on. And you can vote on them in the comments. And you can also take advantage of Squirrely Dave's nasty comedy segment over there. Squirrely Dave has been starting to take over the damn channel. Ever since he's been going out on shorts and everything. If you like stoner humor, and he's raunchy sometimes, or he can be. We're toning him down. We're trying to get him to tone it down, but he's not as raunchy as he was. I'll put it that way. But the old red-eyed squirrel over there is not rabies. He's just high as hell. But we got that. So check out Crypto Parody. Maybe go, but you can go over here and vote for the videos with the poll that we got put up, and all that cool stuff. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we've been going for about an hour and 40 minutes. I'm going to go to the end screen now. Listen to some cool music, some of the new stuff. I got 2 new songs. Nothing special, mostly for thumbnails than for anything parodies for thumbnails more than anything of seriousness, but some decent takes on them. And then we got some up for request on the music in the end screen, and we'll go there and check out some of the crypto music. Thanks for hanging out.
Somewhere over the moon, somewhere over the moon.
$9 would be nice. It would be. Possible delisting on the limit.
There's a green field that I dream about at night.
Oh, we're talking about the season for missing scientists.
Finally feel so light.
Wonder what the story is behind all that.
Somewhere over the moon, sets will shine.
I'm telling you, the man's a freaking genius. He's got some good advisors or something. He's sharp. He's sharp.
And wake up where the red candles stop.
I think he's about to line them up. Thank you, Alfie. Alexa, skip.
Kiss me too fiercely, hold me too tight.
That don't sound like a crypto song, did it?
I need you to show me we'll be alright. The world's full of fear, full of red candlelight, but I don't care what they say. I'm staying here tonight.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a take on it. I'm not really satisfied with my generation yet.
Stars, I just need you green after all these scars. As long as you're green, as long as you're green, I'll hold you through the winter, through the pain, through the fear.
Wrong ticker.
As long as
So we can cue it up.
you're green, as long as
You got something totally different.
green, I'll never let you go, my dear. They say I'm crazy, they say I'm lost, they say this orange dream will come at too high a cost. But when you're bleeding red and the whole world walks away, I'll still be right here. I'm not leaving today. Every cycle tried to break us apart, but I chose you with all of my heart. As long as you're green, as long as you're green, I'll hold you through the winter, through the pain, through the fear. As long as you're green, as long as you're green, you're the only thing that feels real.
Sure, is this sloppy entry? Let's see if I can find that one. Well, it definitely wasn't the one you're thinking. I didn't think it was. All right. Gosh, this one's blasting in my ears here. All right, let's see if we can get the wrong ticker.
Wrong ticker, bought the wrong one while my brain was thicker. 10x leverage on a total stranger. Wrong ticker, now I'm feeling major. I was floating nice and easy, eyes half closed and slow. Thought I was buying Bitcoin, but my thumb said no, bro. Typed in the wrong symbol, hit confirm like a dream. Now my account's doing cartwheels I've never seen.
and it's cool, everything's swell.
Wrong ticker, bought the wrong one while my brain was thicker. 10x leverage on a total stranger. Wrong ticker, now I'm feeling major.
Girlfriend walks in, sees me pale as the moon. Asked what happened. I say, I just bought the wrong cartoon. She rolls her eyes, passes me the bowl anyway. Says at least you're consistent in your own special way. Margin call ringing like a distant bell. I'm whispering it's cool, everything's swell. Wrong ticker.
It's a hard one to deal with. God bless you, my man. Hear my prayers, for real.
10x leverage on a total stranger. Wrong ticker. Now I'm feeling major.
The heavens coming, the smoke is rising. I'm stacking sats while my portfolio's capsizing. They say I'm reckless, I say I'm just vibing. Wrong ticker, but at least I'm still smiling.
Bitcoin trying to go up. Need to add my trade. Shut up, Sean.
Bought the wrong one while my brain was thicker. 10x leverage on a total stranger. Wrong ticker. Now I'm feeling major.
Oh, wait a minute. That's not sloppy entry. Sloppy entry will be next.
Oh yeah, sloppy entries got me. Oh, the market's buzzing. I jumped too soon. Altcoins tease with a reckless tune. Hype pulls me in. I missed the sign. I'm rocking the rush, crossing the line. Sloppy entry, you're my wild regret. Take it down, feel the loss I get. Rock me hard,
Be a bear
my
trap.
mind's a mess. Sloppy entry, I can't confess. Oh, Ethereum spikes, I'm late to the play. Solana drops, I'm
Might be a
thrown
bearish
astray.
retest.
Volatility traps my ego dive. I'm loving the thrill, but I'm barely alive. Sloppy entry, you're my wild regret. Take it down, feel the loss I get.
That will take up some
Rock me
time.
hard, my mind's a mess. Sloppy entry,
That will get your mind off it on different things.
I can't confess. Oh, my heart's pounding, the charts deceive. Hype's got me reeling, I can't believe. Every dip
Gotta start somewhere.
drags me to the fight. Sloppy entry, I lose my sight.
That could be taken out of context.
Sloppy entry, you're my wild regret. Take it down, feel the loss I get. Rock me hard,
Superstar. Superstar. Fudge the stop loss, moved it up high.
Oh crap, I put the wrong one down there.
Thought I was sly. Now the price is diving, margin calls near. One more candle down and it's game over here. I stare at the screen, palms slick with sweat, begging for a bounce. I know I won't get. Stupid trade, stupid me. I'm the queen of the wreck. Can't you see? Stupid me. Pushing buttons like I'm still free. Stupid me. Whole accounts hanging by a thread, baby. You can keep your moon boys and your diamond headlights. I'm the girl who chased the palm till it died. I move my stop loss like a fool in the dark. Now I'm watching my future blow apart. Stupid trade. Stupid trade, stupid me. I'm the queen of the wreck. Can't you see? Stupid me. Pushing buttons like I'm still free. Stupid me. Whole account's gone if it breaks, baby. Stupid trade. Stupid me. Stupid trade. Stupid me. Stupid trade. Stupid me.
Oops, we already did that one. I guess we'll hear this one.
Over the moon,
It's a different version from the intro.
somewhere over the moon.
I had to download it again, but yeah, I've got that one. Let me see if I can find it. Haven't heard it in a while.
That I dream about at night, where the heavy bags finally feel so light. Somewhere over the moon, sats will shine. Someday I wish upon a halving and wake up where the red candles stop behaving, where trouble melts like leverage in the sun, high above the fear and everyone. Somewhere over the moon, blue sky.
I think there's a better version of this.
And the
Though.
dreams that you dare to dream.
Let me go ahead and put this on here.
Somewhere over the moon.
Gosh darn it, it sounds the same. That's the same one. It's this one.
Somewhere over the. Somewhere over the moon. Somewhere.
I think this is the one I was trying to shoot for.
Way up high. There's a green field that I dream about at night, where the heavy bags finally feel so light.
Where is the other one?
Somewhere over the moon, sats will shine. Someday I wish upon a halving
Alright.
and wake up where
So I
the
got
red
Paranoid Pump.
candles stop.
I got this time is different coming up.
Where trouble melts like leverage in
Probably
the
quicker than you would
sun.
think. Like now. I was trying to get that vibe, but I just couldn't get that vibe right. So that's why I'm not happy with what I got. I had one that came close, but I can't find it. But Not close enough. Oh, wow.
Evergreen candle makes my heart do a flip. I swear the whales are watching me through my phone's little slit. Is that a rug pull? Is that a trap? Or am I just too baked to read the chart right back? The joint says relax, the chart says run. My brain's in the battle and neither side is won. Paranoia pump, paranoia dump. I'm high as hell and the chart's doing jumps. 1 minute I'm genius, next minute I'm dumb. Paranoia pump, that's the crypto hum. My girlfriend asked, babe, why you staring at the wall? I say the order book's talking, I can hear it call. She rolls her eyes, passes me the bowl instead. Now we're both paranoid, watching numbers in our head. The joint says relax, the chart says run. My brain's in a battle and neither side has won. Paranoia pump, paranoia dump. I'm high as hell and the chart's doing jumps. 1 minute I'm genius, next minute I'm dumb. Paranoia pump, that's the crypto hum. The joint says relax, the chart says run. My brain's in a battle and neither side is won. Paranoia pump, paranoia dump. I'm high as hell and the chart's doing jumps. 1 minute I'm genius, next minute I'm dumb. Paranoia pump, that's the crypto hum. Paranoia pump, paranoia pump.
This time, it's different. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. I read the perfect setup, strong fundamentals, analyst upgrades, low float inside a buy-in. I told myself this time it's different. I studied the chart for hours. I loaded up, felt like a genius. This time it's different, this time it's different, this time it's different. This time it's different, this time it's different. 20% up, I'm a genius.
6 minute got the 9 crossing the 21. Let's check it out for some support over here. I think it's 382, right?
Back to zero.
I think we were finding support on the 382 fib.
I stare at the red for days.
Yum.
Whispering, but the
What if it holds?
fundamentals, I quietly delete the
I've got my doubts with this
position
local
that I
trend
lost.
line.
I can't admit, deep down I know I fell for the oldest story again. This time it's different.
But we could still be within the little
This
wiggle
time
room.
it's different. This time it's different. This time it's
It's
different.
going to have a lot of resistance up through here in this range,
This
though.
time it's different. This time it's different. 20% up, I'm a genius. This time it's different. Then the rug
Fucking
gets
lying.
pulled back to zero. I could stop reading the charts. I could stop believing the hype. I could do anything, but I'm here, falling for the same old lie. This time it's different. This time it's different. This time it's different. This time it's different. This time it's different, this time it's different. 20% up, I'm a genius, this time it's different. Then the rug gets pulled back to zero. 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 Zero.
Jenny keeps the beat pretty well, doesn't she?
Zero.
Her part's overdue. She's like a little lava lamp.
Somewhere.
Okay, we can't get away from the song, can we?
Somewhere over the moon, way up high.
Oh. Guess I'll let
There's
it
a
play.
green field that I dream about at night, where the hairy bags finally feel so light. Somewhere over the moon, sats will shine. Someday I wish upon a heaven and wake up where the red candles stop. Be heaven, where trouble melts like leverage in the sun, high above the fear and everyone. So somewhere over the moon,
You like it?
blue skies wait, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true one day. Somewhere over the moon, whales move slow. They accumulate with quiet power while the weak hands let go. I've been waiting through the windows, through the crashes and the pain, but my heart keeps softly saying there's a golden bull again. Someday I'll look back on these drawdowns and laugh at how I almost sold, where my portfolio finally flies and
Somewhere.
all the red turns into gold. Oh, somewhere over the moon, blue skies away, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true one day. If happy little green candles fly beyond the charts, why, oh, why can't I? Oh, somewhere over the moon, my time will come, and the life that I've been waiting for will finally be the one. Somewhere over the moon, somewhere, somewhere, somewhere over the moon, somewhere over the moon.
All right, guys. Oh, I guess we get a repeat. I guess I'm stuck with this song.
Somewhere over the moon,
It's not the same one, is it?
way up high, there's a green field that I dream about.
I think this was supposed to have been my favorite out of them all. I think this one's supposed to be it.
Where the heavy bags finally
Sounds a lot like it.
so light. Somewhere over the moon, sats will shine. Someday I wish upon a heaven and wake up where the red candles stop. Be heaven, where trouble melts like
What if it's the same exact
leverage
song
in
and I
the
just got it
sun,
coded wrong on the file name?
high above the fear and everyone.
Let me hear the chorus.
skies wait, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true one day.
That's different.
Somewhere over the moon, whales move slow. They accumulate with quiet power while the weak hands let go. I've been waiting through the winters, through the crashes and the pain, but my heart keeps softly saying there's a golden bull again. Someday I'll look back on these drawdowns and laugh at how I almost sold. Oh, where my portfolio finally flies and all the red turns into gold. Somewhere over the moon, blue skies wait, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true one day. If happy little green candles fly beyond the charts, why, oh, why can't I? Somewhere over the moon, my time will come, and the life that I've been waiting for will finally be the one. Somewhere over the moon, somewhere over the moon.
There we go.
Woke up this morning with the craving so deep. Giant green dildos, yeah, they're what I need to sleep. Not the battery kind from the shop down the road. The ones on my screen that make my portfolio explode. They rise up tall, looking oh so firm. Oh yes, pump in my bags till I squirm and squirm. One big thrust and I'm seeing stars. Fuck me! Yelp, it's pouring in, buying fancy cars. Cash rich to chick. Oh yeah! Give me those giant green dildos. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. The time to stretch high and never say no. Ever! Big keys in the keys, make my wallet fat. Craving them daily, imagine that. Green and mean sliding up the chart. Fucking my fears like half of my heart. Yes, daddy! Papa say bring, oh what a thrill. Giant green dildos pay my bills. Dash explosion, scrolling at midnight. Fingers all sticky and wet, so wet. Waiting for that surge, I won't soon forget. Red ones are bastards, they leave me high and dry. Oh, flop, but greens come calling with a wink in the side. Sexy, hey big boy, I just some money changes, no shame in my game.
Gotta go good with the W.
They pound,
What is it,
driving me
WEF, is that
insane. One massive candle and I'm screaming, yes please! Turning my new
Women's
bass into
basketball.
crypto royalty. Counting is to settle for little red stubs that flop. But now I'm addicted to the ones that won't stop. They vibrate my phone with alerts all night long. Giant green dildos, where have you been all along? Whatever, yeah, call me pervert for charts. But these bad boys deliver right to my parts. Fuck me sideways when they hit all-time high. Fuck me! Profits raining down like come from the sky. Let's that cash rain shower, oh yeah! Give me those giant green dildos. Dildo. The kind that stretch high and never say no. Tease and the crease make my wallet fat. Crave it, I'm barely imagine mad. Green and mean sliding up the chart. Fucking my tears right out of my heart. Profits they bring, oh what a thrill. Giant green dildos pay my bills. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Dildos forever, dildos forever. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Dildos, dildos, dildos. Dildos forever, green and supreme. Bye. Candles, fucking candles. Bye.
All right, guys, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you for being here, hanging out on the end screen like all the cool kids. Man, I appreciate that. I will see you again tomorrow night. Tomorrow's the Lord's Day. Make it to church if you can. I'm just saying, Jesus loves you. You don't have to be perfect. You just gotta be willing. And we'll see you again tomorrow night. Trade wisely. Maybe we'll get a pump out of Bitcoin. I'm hoping for it. We need a little help over here. Good night, everybody. See you on the next one.
Is this bad?